Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. As you can see here, I have the Firelight MS-4 demonstration board. I have a Gentex Commander 2 horn strobe as a notification appliance, a system sensor i3, and a Potter 4050-001T. This is a pretty cool pull station. I don't know who originally made these, but mine is Potter branded. Now over here, obviously we have the Firelight MS-4. I'm using the battery hack, resistors and all the zones and everything. I just have a NAC fault because I have a dead NAC. But yeah, that's about it. So let's go ahead and pull the pull station. 3, 2, 1. Alright, I think it's pretty loud. You kind of did like a march time in the very beginning. I don't know why I didn't do code 3. Maybe we can go ahead and reset the pull station, which all you have to do is just unscrew it until it comes back up, then you can screw it back in. But you can unscrew it all the way, and on the inside there's just a little toggle switch. You have to make sure that's all the way tightened, otherwise it won't close properly. And you can just close it, and then tighten the screw back down. And now that that's tight, we can go ahead and reset the panel. Alright, so that's about it for this system test. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time.